तो कैसे हो यार? मैं वापस आ गया हूँ एक और वीडियो के साथ। तो बात ये हुई कि आप सब लोगों की तरह मैं भी इस लॉकडाउन में गर्मा गर्म बीफ का मजा ले रहा। लेकिन तभी आई वॉच्ड दिस बीफ एनालिसिस बाय अ ब्रेकडाउन चैनल। ये नहीं रे, थोड़ा सस्ता वाला। हाँ, तो कैरियप्पा भैया ने बीफ को एनालाइज किया और जिसमें उन्होंने भारी मन से ये बोला।
दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम अगर मुझसे पूछा जाए कि कौन जीत रहा है तो आई फील एमीवे हैज अ स्लाइट एज इन दिस बीफ ओवर डिवाइन
बट पूरी वीडियो में ही ब्रोक डाउन मोस्ट ऑफ द बार्स फ्रॉम डिवाइन एंड एमीवे के ट्रैक में ही ओनली सेड दिस।
गली के कुत्ते को भूख लगी फिंग की पेडिग्री दूंगा मैं, खाओगे क्या?
एमीवे कॉल्ड डिवाइन अ कुत्ता and pedigree is the name of the brand that makes dog food. Also, it is the finishing move of this WWE superstar called Triple H. इससे पहले भी
a bar which was very evident due to the video. Now let me be very clear about this. Technicality is a part of rapping. It is not everything. Take Hit 'em Up for example. It was and still one of the most brutal diss tracks of all time. And it's filled with rage. Technicality and wordplays? Not so much. There are many tracks. Now I know some breakdown channel make it seem like if a track does not have double entendres, does not have wordplays, it's shit, or it's simply not rap. But that's definitely not the case. Take Eminem's Lose Yourself for example. One of the most loved tracks of Eminem. So much so, it got Oscar for it. Now the track is filled with feelings, but not so much with wordplays. That being said, this fire track by Emiway have both wordplays and double entendres.
मेरे साथ काम करोगे तो नाम होगा तुम्हारा, इनाम मिलेंगे, रुपए पैसा मिलेगा, इज्जत होगी तुम्हारी और लोग डरेंगे तुमसे।
डराकर लोगों को वो जीता है जिसकी हड्डियों में पानी भरा होता है। मर्द बनने का इतना शौक है तो कुत्तों का सहारा लेना छोड़ दे कर दिया।
Very solid beginning. Basically taunting Raftar and saying he is using Kutte for his support. And Kutte here is being referred to Divine. Now one more thing about Emiway is that he know how to make fun of people and how to ascertain certain things. For example, during Samajh Mein Aaya ke time, MC Stan's whole comment section was filled with alien ke shakal ke. After Giraftar, whenever Raftar tried to badmouth Emiway, it was spammed with मेरे ही बारे में बक बक करेगा. And now in this particular song, Emiway made so much fun of Divine's ha 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 like that signature that it would have been really difficult choice for Divine to make, like to whether use it in his further songs or not. Because if it doesn't, it will be like accepting defeat. But if it does, Emiway Bantai fans could have spammed कौन शॉट दे रहा है पीछे से तेरे को or something like that.
दोस्त के सलून में तेरी दिया मैंने 10 तक फटी बड़ी थी तेरी आंख किसने टसाया था, ऐसा लग रहा था तू किससे तो खाए रखे ढकेले। हेडमास्टर आया तो प्रिंसिपल फेल है, तेरी में लूंगा मेरे पास तो सांडे का तेल है, डिस कर रहा बचकाना ये मेरा खेल है।
Rebuttal to Divine's line, प्रिंसिपल हूँ मैं, चल बाल काट जल्दी ना।
मेरे पास तड़ी पार करे सबको काला पानी जेले, तेरे से कितने रैपर यूज के लिए डिस करे डेले।
Rebuttal to Divine's line, तो अर्थर रोड में बार सीधा।
ऑर्गेनिक बंदा में तू बेटा थेले, तू पक बोलता खुद को मशीन गन के ले।
तो अब जिन लोगों को नहीं पता, मशीन गन केली is an English rapper who was destroyed by Eminem in his song Kill Shot. Now Emiway also takes a spin on his name, calling him Machine Gun Kelly and not Machine Gun Kelly. But Machine Gun Kelly has a tattoo of a Pac-Man, the game Pac-Man, on his neck. Now it could be that this is just pure coincidence, but the bar could also be interpreted as Emiway saying कि तू पाक बोलता खुद को मशीन गन कैली, ये तू because Machine Gun has a tattoo of Pac-Man on his neck, so he's saying कि तू पाक बोलता है, you are the Pac-Man and you are Machine Gun Kelly. Also the rapper Machine Gun Kelly took his name from this gangster Machine Gun Kelly. So Emiway is basically saying कि you are you are not Machine Gun Kelly, you are Machine Gun Kele. So the bar could be interpreted in a lot of different ways. I don't know if this is coincidence or this is just pure genius.
ले आवाज में तेरे वजन नहीं है, ये रैप गेम में बचकाने भजन नहीं है, हाँ ऐसा क्यों गाता है पसंद नहीं है, अपन ऊंचाई पे खड़े ले घमंड नहीं है।
Wow, my favorite part of the song. Emiway mocks Divine by mimicking him perfectly. This made me remember Eminem using Mariah Carey's voice alike in the warning. Wow, genius. Loved it.
अंके बेटा मैं क्या करोट ये गली के कुत्ते को क्या दूं शॉट.
Now, Kakarot is a Super Saiyan avatar of Goku, which is a character of famous anime Dragon Ball Z. And it has a tail and somewhat resembles a monkey. So that's a great rebuttal of Divine calling him Chabi wala banda.
सिर्फ गली गली कम अकल के डिवाइन मेरे बुल्ली के शक्ल के.
Wow, again one of my favorite lines. Now this bar definitely has multiple meanings. And it is one of those lines which could be spammed by Amiway fans under Divine's next diss, which unfortunately is not going to come. Anyways, bully ke shakal ke, it has two seedhe meaning. One, bully is a breed of dog, but bully is also a slang for dick. The bar does not end here. Bully was also a song in Eminem's album Raw and Uncut, in which he dissed Ja Rule and Benzino, both of whose career was destroyed by Eminem. By the way, if you haven't listened to this track, and then go check it out, it's one of the favorite tracks. It's one of my favorite tracks. So anyways, Amiway could be saying that Divine seemed to him like Ja Rule and not Tupac.
तू मार्केट डुबा रही है कुतिया मेरी एक्स नहीं मिली तुझे घर बैठ के मार बेटा मुठिया.
Now I legit laughed out loud on this line. Such a funny rebuttal to Divine's line. X का मैसेज भी मुझे रात में आता था. I legit laughed out loud on this. But this made me remember how Eminem said in his track Nail in the Coffin, Go Slap My Mom. It somewhat made me, I know the parallel is there's like a huge difference, but it made me remember that. So nice rebuttal, funny rebuttal, loved it.
आके मेरा बेटा आने वाले लोग क्वालिटी साउंड वाले लोग गुल्फा करो मेरा बनता है क्वालिटी रख के भी कुछ नहीं उखाड़े तुम लोग समझा क्या.
Now I know that I'm breaking down the lyrics of the song, but this when I saw in Divine's track, I was like, you can't be talking about quality control and then spelling the quality wrong. Now the image which is being shown by Amiway in his track is from Divine's song, where Divine is talking how he is the quality control, but it is so ironic that the spelling of quality itself is incorrect. Wow, that's a
बंजर जमीन पे हम खड़े ले मरद है.
now that's a rebuttal to Divine's के उखाड़ेगा क्या तेरी जमीन है बंजर. Now with this, the breakdown is complete, and I know it is not one of the most technically sound tracks, but disses are not meant to be that. Disses are meant to be disrespectful and brutal. So this was a perfect diss, a response which everyone wanted from Amiway, and I don't like the fact that few people managed to make other people believe that if your diss is not very technically sound or if it does not have many word plays, it's shit. That is not the case. और ये बात जाकिर भाई ने भी कुछ इस तरह से समझाई है.
Come on, it's an acquired taste. मैंने कहा बच्चों एनल सेक्स है क्या जिसकी आदत डालनी पड़ जा रही है. स्वाद है तो है, नहीं है तो नहीं है.